This is a typical roller shutter box with the roller's cavity. The cavity of the roller must be treated in a special way. As you can see, its opening's width is 15 mm. ISO 10077 Part 2. Openings up to 35 mm give the cavity an increased surface resistance. Assign a 10077 RSB segment material to the opening surface, so the cavity is identified. U decreased from 1.34 to 1.07 watts per square meter Kelvin. Note the light blue boundary. Increased resistance, auto-assigned by frame simulator. Now suppose we want to achieve the condition where the effective opening's width is smaller or equal to 2 mi. If we just add brushes, nothing changes in terms of U value. We must also assign a transparent material to the roller shutter. Now, Frame Simulator considers the main cavity as an unventilated one. This further reduces U to 0.91 watts per square meter Kelvin.